Hello there. This is Arlene Arnold, and I'm here with you for the focus of the week. And this is September 10th, a Monday. And it's taken me a little while to really focus in on what the message is for this week. I actually came up with two luminaries in the set called Luminaries. And one of them is Dolphin song that you see on the left, and the other one is Crown, which you see on the right. So we're going to go into a little bit of what each of these say to us and what they are about. So let's just move on and we'll talk about what that is. So there's some things in Dolphin song. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but there's some things I want us to focus on this week. It's like Dolphin song is asking us to expand, expand, expand. So the question is, not really the question, but who we are. Dolphin song is telling us you are in the world, beyond the worlds, and between the worlds. Now, I don't know what that means to you, but I've been working especially with dimensions. And as you're working with dimensions that have to do with being in form on Earth, and then the dimensions that have to do with the higher frequencies that are not the kind of physical form that you find on Earth, it really expands you. And sometimes the only way we can go into that is just to feel it and be with it, not try to think about it. So one of the messages for this week is to just be okay with the fact that you are in the world, beyond the worlds, and between the worlds, even if you don't know what that means. Because somewhere inside of you, you do, but it's just a matter of being with it, feeling it, and eventually some of the information of that will come through for you. So I want to just show you a little bit more about Dolphin song, and then we're going to go to the questions because these questions are really important. So Dolphin song talks about the fact that they are not just in the ocean. You know, we think of dolphins as being in the ocean. And they are not just that. And they are like out in the stars. So the dolphins say, let me whirl you into the stars to see the magnificence that you know. Sit beside me in the nothingness to rejuvenate your inner resolve. Swim with me in the ocean depths whose beauty fills the soul. Call to me at any time. You are never alone. So it's like the dolphins are cosmic. The dolphins are present with us in the ocean. And then if we go into the nothingness, the dolphins are there as well. So this is a really important lesson for us about not being confined to just that which we know in our physical surroundings. So here's one of the questions which we can ask ourselves is, do you allow yourself to experience all the worlds that are part of your life? All the worlds that are part of your life. So when I start honing in on that, there are a lot of different worlds that I live in because I live in a physical world and I live in what I call the inner planes. And you probably do too. So let's just be sure that we're experiencing all those worlds. We need to be fully present in our human existence. And we need to feel okay with all of that goes beyond that. And then, are you willing to let go in order to swim with the dolphins? The dolphins are here to show us how to let go, how to be with whatever it is that comes next. And some of you are going through physical pain. Some of you are going through emotional energy that has come up for you. And some of you are going through changes in your life that may be difficult. So the dolphins are asking us to let go, swim with them, be with them, and at the same time, be with whatever it is that's happening in your life. And know that you are supported. You are here for a reason. And whatever you're going through is a part of what this life is about for you. Be with it. Don't fight it. Don't push it off. Don't diminish it. Just be it and be with it. Okay, now let's go on to crown. Crown is like another level of looking at who we are. Crown is an opportunity that is being offered to us to, I say, step up to the plate, to be what it is that you came here to be, to step into what it is that you are offering this world. So here's what crown says. This is your time to be recognized. Will you boldly accept the crown of awakening? Not as one who stands above others, but as one who shares in the journey of becoming fully present and accepts responsibility for living a unique contribution. You are here for a unique contribution. So here we are. And it looks like I lost one part here. I want to go back here to this one. So, will you boldly accept the crown of awakening? Will you boldly accept it? Not as one who stands above others, but one who accepts your unique contribution. And the final one here is, what does it mean for you to accept a crown? So if you were willing to accept the crown and step into your unique contribution and live that, what would that look like? What would that mean for you this week? Wow, this is big. There's a lot to this. You know, it's not simple being who we are in this time and space. It's not simple. But it's really, really important. So, my friends, be with this. Sit with this. Allow your inner self to speak to you. Allow Dolphin Song and Crown to work with you. And I'll look forward to being with you next week.